Oh hey, didn't see you there. What's up guys? Utshab here, car guy Winnipeg. I want to be your car guy. That's something I want you to know. It's minus 21 degrees here today in Winnipeg. As promised, I'm here with a detailed review of the 2021 Hyundai Elantra, and that'll be the ultimate with the optional tech package. We got a few of them lined up right here. The 2021 Hyundai Elantra has been awarded the prestigious 2021 North American Car of the Year award. I'm very excited to make this video about the Elantra Ultimate with the optional tech package. That's the highest trim level you can get. So let's not wait any longer and go check it out.
This is what I've been waiting for. I knew I wanted you all my life. Can you want me to? This is what I've been waiting for. I knew I wanted you all my life. Can you want me to?
Look at that beautiful taillight, guys. The angles from the body is touching the taillight, and it's a long running taillight. Here you can see the beautiful Elantra badging, and it is loud and clear. This is the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. I just love how the taillights blend into the body's cutting lines. And here we have the beautiful and aggressive 17-inch alloy rims. It is a combination of the silver and a metallic black color, and I think it looks terrific. Looks like a blade if you ask me. Moving over to the front, look at that daytime running lamp. You do get your LED headlights, but look at that daytime running lamp. Look at that angle, guys. This is a revolutionary design, and look at that front grille. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? You do have to let me know what you think about the design of the 21 Elantra. The front grille is so beautiful. It is so aggressive yet so functional. It is definitely one of those vehicles that you have to turn back once more and look once you're done parking. Let's look at the beautiful cluster. The optional tech package comes with a 10.25-inch digital cluster. Look at that, how beautiful it is. It is on the smart driving mode right now, so that's the smart driving mode cluster. It does change as you change the driving modes. And let's go over to the infotainment system. The infotainment system is a 10.25-inch screen as well. Yes, it is an HD display. It does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On top of that, it does have a built-in navigation system. So if you don't have your phone on you, but you still need to navigate, there you go, there's a solution there. This vehicle is equipped with the awesome Blue Link system. You can download the app from the App Store. You'll be able to remote start your vehicle through the app and also control the air vents and your heated seats and your heated steering wheels, which is awesome. Click on the Blue Link option on your car's display. You'll see weather, vehicle diagnostics, maintenance, and Blue Link settings. Trust me folks, once you get used to this 10.25-inch infotainment system, you can never go back. Here we do have the driving mode button. Let's see what that does. So it's at normal, and that's sport, and that's smart. Do you like the transition? Let's give it a go once again. Sport, smart. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Right below the drive mode button, you'll see the camera view button. So even if you don't put your vehicle in reverse, you can click on that button and the camera will show on the display. Following that, we have the parking button and then the auto hold button. And if you would like to know what the auto hold button does, please stay tuned. I will be making a video on that. Now let's talk about a very special feature. It's sounds of nature. And to demonstrate, let's get the volume up here. Sound like a warm fireplace. Especially if it's cold out there, just like today. This takes the experience of you being in the vehicle in a totally different level, guys. That's the lively forest Oh, listen to that beautiful chirp. Sea waves. A rainy day for you. Okay, to the left hand side of the steering wheel, first button you see will be the cluster brightness button. Following that, we have the lane departure warning and lane keep assist button in the center. And basically what it does is it helps you maintain the lane. Then we have the traction on and off button. Vehicle's equipped with a high beam assist button, and to demonstrate, look at that. So you're on the highway and the vehicle senses there's a vehicle nearby. It will automatically turn off the high beam and turn it back on as soon as it passes by. Now, an awesome safety feature, parking collision avoidance assist in reverse. As you're getting closer to an object while in reverse, the vehicle's audio signal will increase in frequency and the system applies automatic braking to avoid collision. What a lifesaver that is, isn't it? Another awesome feature, that's the rear occupant alert. As soon as you turn off the engine, a visual warning is on the instrument cluster, and an audible alert reminds you to check the rear seats before exiting the vehicle. Now, let's talk about the lane departure warning with lane keep assist. Say you're starting to drift outside of your lane without signaling, and this system is designed to inform you with audible and visual cues. If no action is taken, lane keep assist can apply corrective steering assistance to help keep the vehicle within the lane markings. Let's talk about another life-saving safety feature. That's the blind spot collision avoidance assist. Blind spot collision avoidance assist not only uses radar to detect when a vehicle is in the driver's blind spot, but will also help avoid a collision by gently applying brakes to the opposite tire to help stop an unsafe lane change. It comes with the adaptive cruise control with traffic stop and go. That means you can set your predetermined speed and distance to the vehicle ahead, and the ACC system will automatically adjust your speed to maintain the set distance. And the system will even operate in stop and go traffic. It will basically bring the vehicle to a complete stop when necessary and then resume automatically. Guys, the 21 Elantra Ultimate with optional tech package comes with the highway driving assist with highway auto curve slowdown. So when actively engaged with both adaptive cruise control with traffic stop and go and lane following assist, the semi-autonomous driving technology helps keep you centered in your lane, and traveling at a safe distance behind the vehicle ahead can help ensure you drive at the specific speed limit, and can also automatically slow down the speed of the vehicle before entering a highway curve section for extra safety. Okay, the vehicle is equipped with the front collision avoidance with a pedestrian detection, cyclist and junction turning detection. If a potential forward collision is detected, audible and visual warning notifications will alert the driver. If the driver does not react to avoid the impact, the system can apply emergency braking under certain conditions. Also, the vehicle has the junction turning detection, so basically it makes your left turns at an intersection much safer now. The vehicle is equipped with safe exit warning, so if there's a vehicle approaching on the side lane from behind, a vehicle will send you alerts warning you and let you know if it's too dangerous to get out of the vehicle at that moment. Right below the infotainment system, we have our important controls here. You can see the dual zone automatic climate control. There is the heated steering wheel button with your vent fan speed and the vent modes. Below that you can see your heated seats, both driver and passenger. You'll be happy to know that the vehicle also comes with rear heated seats. Now your friends or family won't get a chance to complain. Unlike a lot of the competitors of the Elantra, the steering wheel of the 21 Elantra is completely heated all the way through. It's not just heated on the sides or just top and the bottom. Hyundai gave it all. It's all the way through, guys, so it doesn't matter where you're touching while driving in the steering wheel in this cold, chilly winter. You're covered. You have nothing to worry about. You won't find a cold spot.
Alright guys, I hope you love the review, and you can reach me at 204-800-7543. Come to Murray Hyundai, 1700 Waverly Street in Waverly Auto Mall. Alright guys, so until next time, I hope you have a great day.
This is what I've been waiting for.